solve the system of equations. So this is a simultaneous equation question, and we have 1, 2, 3 equations and 1, 2, 3 unknowns. So pretty much the whole of this question is going to be done on your GDC. So we're going to move over to the GDC and we're going to click apps. Okay, so if we click apps, let me just come out of this. And we're going to go to number 9 on mine, which is Polysimult 2. And then we're going to the simultaneous equation solver. And we have 3 unknowns and we have 3 equations, as we were talking about earlier. So making sure that you've got 3 and 3 clicked. And then we're going to go to graph, which does what this button here tells us, which was next. And now we're going to fill in the information for the 3 different equations. So we can see here that the first one is 2x 4y minus 1z. So we're just going to type that in. So 2x 4y and negative 1. Now you can either write that as negative 1 or you can write it as minus 1. It's up to you. And that equals 10. And then the next equation, we have 1x 2y 2z equals 5. So 1x, 2y, 2z, and that is equal to 5. And then the last equation, we have 5x, 12y, and we don't have any z. So the z is going to stay as 0 in this question. So 5x, 12y, 0z, and that's equal to 10. And now we've got our 3 equations in, we can click solve. So that's by hitting graph, and we can see that our 3 answers there are that x is equal to 20, y is equal to minus 15 over 2, or you might have written 7.5, negative 7.5, and then z is equal to 0. And that's all we need to do for that question. So if we just go back to that question again, we can see that there's 3 marks awarded, and that is 1 answer mark for each part of the question. So 1 answer mark for each of those.